Robots in space. We're familiar with seeing this in sci-fi movies, but did you know that in 2011, NASA made that possible when their robot called Robonaut, or R2, became the first humanoid robot in space? R2 lived on the International Space Station, where it launched to from the Space Shuttle Discovery on the STS-133 mission in February that year. R2 was developed by both NASA and General Motors to work alongside astronauts and perform simple tasks. The robot was designed to look and work like a human, with human-like hands and arms, and the ability to use the same tools as the crew. It was initially deployed as a torso-only humanoid, but in 2014, it was upgraded with 2 legs to allow it to maneuver inside the International Space Station. Although its primary job for now is demonstrating to engineers how dexterous robots behave in space, the hope for NASA is that, through further upgrades and advancements, it could one day venture outside the station to help spacewalkers make repairs or additions to the station or perform scientific work. Robonaut was also paired with a 4-wheeled base and tested during the 2011 Desert Rats, or Research and Technology Studies mission in the Arizona desert. R2's original tasks include hand drill cleaning and velocity air measurements, both being simple but necessary tasks that require significant crew time. It was a prototype meant to be used here on Earth as a way to better understand what would be needed to eventually send a robot into space. However, when it was unveiled, the system was so impressive that mission managers decided to go ahead and send it to the space station after a few upgrades. Outer skin materials were exchanged to meet the station's flammability requirements, shielding was added to reduce electromagnetic interference, and processors were upgraded to increase the robot's radiation tolerance. Operators have several options for how to control the R2, including both station crew members and controllers on the ground. One improvement over the previous Robonaut is that the R2 doesn't need constant supervision and was designed to be set to tasks and then carry them through autonomously with periodic status checks. Although NASA initially had no plans of returning R2 to Earth, as of October 2024, the robot is on loan to the Smithsonian for display at the National Air and Space Museum's Stephen Udvar-Hazy Center in Northern Virginia for at least the next 4 years. So if you're nearby, you can actually see it in person, though unfortunately it is not operational and does not move while on display. The exhibit includes a video of R2 doing various jobs in space, and it's positioned to point at the Discovery, the vehicle that carried it into space. How do you feel about humanoid robots working in space? I don't know about you, but that's a job I don't want. Let me know in the comments section below, and to stay up to date with future content, hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, save that money.